Setting up an Elgato 4Ks with a PS5 should be simple, but sometimes it feels like the PS5 and capture card are having an argument behind the scenes. Maybe you're getting a black screen, a no-signal message, or nothing is showing up at all. Don't worry, you're definitely not the first person to run into this. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete setup process, the exact settings you need to change, how to start recording and streaming, and the most common mistakes that can stop everything from working. Follow along step by step, and we'll get it sorted out. Before connecting the capture card, let's fix the most common cause of capture problems on PS5. If you're seeing a black screen or no signal, HDCP is usually the reason. Connect your PS5 directly to your TV or monitor, then open Settings. Go to System, select HDMI, and turn off Enable HDCP. This allows the capture card to receive the video signal correctly. Next, make sure your computer has a USB 3.0 or faster port available. Using a slower USB connection can prevent the capture card from working properly. Now connect the included USB Type-C cable from the capture card to your computer. If you're using a USB Type-A port, that's fine as long as it supports USB 3.0 speeds. After that, connect an HDMI cable from the HDMI out port on the capture card to your TV or monitor. Then connect the included HDMI cable from your PS5 to the HDMI in port on the capture card. Finally, power on your PlayStation 5. The setup order is important. Connect the USB cable first, then the HDMI cable going to your TV, and finally the HDMI cable coming from the PS5. Following this order helps prevent signal detection issues. If you use a headset with your PS5, keep in mind that the console may stop sending game audio through HDMI when headphones are connected directly to the controller. If that happens, your recordings won't capture game sound. You can either monitor audio through your computer or use an Elgato ChatLink Pro cable to send audio to both your headset and the capture card at the same time. Quick note, I've added links to some of my recommended streaming and capture accessories in the description below. Some of these may be affiliate links, which help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Once everything is connected, download and install Elgato Studio on your computer. Open the software, and your capture card should appear automatically with a live preview of your gameplay. Choose your recording settings, then click the record button whenever you're ready to start capturing footage. If you're planning to stream, open OBS Studio instead. Click the plus button under Sources, choose Video Capture Device, and select your Elgato capture card. Your gameplay should appear instantly. From there, you can add overlays, webcams, alerts, and other streaming elements. If the video appears but there's no audio, double-check your audio source settings before going live. If you're using ChatLink Pro, open the capture card settings and change the audio input from HDMI audio to analog audio. This allows the capture card to receive audio from the cable correctly. Mac users have one extra step. After adding the video capture device in OBS, add an audio input capture source and select the capture card as the audio device. This ensures both video and audio are available in your stream or recording. If the capture card isn't detected, disconnect the USB cable, restart your computer, and reconnect the device. If you're still not getting a signal, verify that HDCP is disabled, check all cable connections, and make sure you're using a USB 3.0 or faster port. In many cases, one of these steps resolves the issue. That's it for this video on how to set up the Elgato 4Ks with a PS5 or PS5 Pro. I hope this guide helped you get everything connected and working properly. If it did, let me know in the comments what games you're planning to record or stream. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more gaming, streaming, and capture card tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.